Today is the beige shell style sharing. Use water-sensitive beauty skin No. 5 color to base twice. 30 seconds per change of light. Take beige glue with a pull line pen. Draw irregular color blocks on the index finger. Fill it with color. Lighting for 60 seconds. The amount of brush is a non-stick matte seal. After 60 seconds of lighting, draw a 3-dimensional border with leave-in gel sticky diamond glue. Lighting for about 20 seconds. Rub champagne magic mirror powder to sweep away excess dust. Very clean middle finger canvas regular lines. Ring finger draws shaking circles. Lighting for about 20 seconds. Rub on champagne magic mirror powder. Sweep away excess dust. The ring finger is attached to the shell piece and placed in a good position. Put a few more small diamonds to strengthen the hemming of the jewelry. Brush the seal on the whole hand. The lighting is completed in more than 2 minutes. It is very suitable for summer style.